Hi everyone, I'm Dar with Helia, and today we're going to have a look at how to use a VPN connection to securely connect to your residential building with an encrypted tunnel. Now what that means is you can safely use your computer, and it might be in your home, or it might be the property manager, to connect to the building and make sure that it's safe and no hackers are going to get in. So we're using something called a VPN. That's a virtual private network, and many of you have probably been doing this for years, connecting to work remotely. We're also using a style of VPN called IPsec, which is the most common, and so it can be used on Windows or Mac, Android, Linux, iPhone, the whole bunch, your iPad if you wanted to, but we're using Windows 10 today. So I click next to my clock here on this arrow. This is Windows 10, and then I have my Wi-Fi icon. Now, if you have a network cable plugged in, so you're not using Wi-Fi but a network cable, this icon's going to look different. But we're using Wi-Fi, and I'm sure most of you are as well. I'm going to use my left mouse button to click on this, and I get a list of my existing VPN connections, and I'm going to use one of these to show you just how easy it is to connect to your building network. And then we'll have a look at how to create a brand new one. So I've selected this building. I'm going to hit connect, and now it's connecting, and it's verified. Now we've got a secure and encrypted network connection between my laptop and this building, and I can do my maintenance and management and look at security footage if I wanted to. And then once I'm all done, I'm going to hit disconnect. And now it's all wrapped up. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to look at how to connect or create a connection, a brand new connection to your building if you don't have one. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click next to this arrow by your clock. I'm going to select my Wi-Fi icon again, but this time I'm going to use my right mouse button and click on it, and then select Open Network and Internet Settings. So that's going to bring up this window here. I'm going to choose VPN from the left over here, and then you can see I've got a list of VPN connections I already have set up, or I have the option to add a new VPN connection, which is what I'm going to do. So the VPN provider, this is all built in the Windows. My connection name is my building. You would normally put your building name in here, but as this is a test, I'm just going to put my building. Now the server name comes out of our smart building documentation binder. Now these are binders that we create for all of our the buildings that we maintain and do installation for, and they cover all the information on your equipment in your building, along with credentials, how to get in, and how to access that equipment. So it's something that we do, and you'll find this information in that binder. It makes it really easy for board members or the property manager to go in and manage equipment for you. And of course that information is all yours, and so you want to have easy access to it. Now the VPN type is an L2TP IPsec with pre-shared key, so we're going to select that. Now out of the documentation binder, you'll also get a pre-shared key. You'll find that in there. And then we're going to slow down a little bit further here, and we're going to put in the username, and this too is going to come from that binder. So we'll put that in as well and save. Now there's one more step that we need to do. We're going to go up to status, and from status we're going to change network options, and then we're going to go find that connection we just created. So in this case I created it with the name My Building. That's why it's a good idea to put the actual building name in there, and I'm going to use my right mouse button to click on it and choose Properties. Now from here, I'm going to choose Security and allow these protocols, and then I'm going to additionally select Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol CHAP. So we're going to select that, OK, and now we can close these windows up, go back down to the arrow and the Wi-Fi. I'm going to left click this time, and we additionally have a option now that says My Building. So I can select that, connect, and now I'm connected to the building. That's really all there is to it. So I can open up a web browser or other software now and access the equipment that's on site at the building. Thanks for watching. I'm Dar with Helia. You can check out our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/HeliaCanada. Thanks for watching.